How to transfer money from PayPal to bank account. Now, basically, if you want to transfer money from PayPal to a bank, this is something every PayPal user should know, and the process is simple but has a few key details. First, you're going to go ahead and log into your PayPal account, and from there, you're going to see your PayPal balance just like this. Now, under it, there's a button that's called Transfer Money. From here, you're going to be asked whether you want to transfer your bank to a card or to any other selected provider. So you're going to select bank. And if you haven't linked a bank account, you will need to do that first. As you can see in the payment methods, as you want to be preferred, you can connect a bank account. And obviously, to transfer it to your bank, this is necessary. So once you've connected it to your bank account, from there, you can easily go ahead and transfer funds from your PayPal balance to your bank balance. And, you can review your details and you'll see the money deducted from PayPal balance as soon it will land your bank. So the truth is that these fees can add up if you always use instant transfers. For larger amounts or regular payouts, standard transfers are more cost effective. So that's the complete process for moving your PayPal funds safely into your bank account. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.